Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's smart mockups. Before we get started, you must know that you have to have mockups premium in order to use this. But just to maneuver around getting to using smart mockups, I'm going to show you how to do this. First, you have to create a graphic or a design, and when you're finished, this is where you start searching for your smart mockups. So head over to your left panel and select apps. Go up to the search bar and type in Smart Mockups. And here you have some samples that you can choose from. You can pick from phones, laptops, t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. In this case, I'm going to select Easy Mockup. And here it actually shows you that you can choose from phones, tablets, laptops, desktops, smartwatches, and you can select see all for each to see a lot more variety to choose from. So I'm going to choose this desktop. From here you can choose to upload an image or you can select one from your design. So simply head back to your page and select this, and now the image is applied there. So all you have to do is select apply to mockup, but as you can see right here, it says that you need at least 1 credit to do this. So as long as you're paying for your mockup premium, then you'll be able to apply this edit with ease. Some mockups may also allow you to adjust your settings so you can reposition or scale your design. But that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.